Welcome back to Innovin Cake and Cookies. Today I'm making a very crispy, flaky and traditional tea time snack, Nimki or Mathri. This classic homemade snack is perfect for festival, guest or even everyday cravings. In a bowl add 1½ cup of flour, 1 teaspoon kalonji, 1 teaspoon cumin, 1 teaspoon ajwain and 1 teaspoon salt. Add 3 tablespoon ghee and mix well until the flour turns crumbly. Kalonji and ajwain add natural aroma plus digestive benefits. Nimki is a classic Indian snack enjoyed for generations. Now add ½ cup water and make a tight dough. The dough must be tight for the perfect crispy texture. Rub a little ghee on top and rest it for 10 minutes. Adding ghee to the dough gives perfect flakiness. Now divide the dough into 3 portions. Take 1 portion and roll it out. Cut into small rounds. Now connect 5 small rounds together. Add a little water in the center. And press gently with a stick to seal the pattern. Pressing with a stick helps them keep their shape during frying. The design technique makes them look unique and festive. Heat oil on medium heat and fry the nimki in medium-low flame for 7 to 8 minutes or until they turn crisp and golden brown. Do not fry on high flame or they will puff and burn. Traditional nimki stays crispy for weeks when stored properly. Ajwain helps digestion and reduces bloating. Kalonji supports immunity and metabolism. Homemade snacks are fresher and cleaner than store-bought. Perfect portion control treat when stored in airtight jars. If you enjoy traditional recipes like this, be sure to like, comment, follow and subscribe to Innovin Cake and Cookies for more tasty homemade snacks.